Okay, now I'd like to talk about the ease of use in our control system. It comes in pre-programmed, ready to go. We can train your operators in about an hour. It's very easy to use. Let me show you how. Right now, I've got 2 carts in the system. Neither cart is activated, and I've got easy access. I can access and work on things. But now when I want to get the system running, I've got this reset the fence. Now I've gone red, which gives me a good indicator light that the system is in a safe mode for the operator. I turn on cart number 1, I turn on cart number 2, I make sure the robot is home, which it is already, and I hit cycle start.